I am due for just a little trim, so I thought I would show you guys how I do that. My bangs are just getting a little long for my taste, and the edges of my hair are just looking a little flat. I like them to be a little sharper, more defined in the layers on the edge. Last time I cut my hair, I got a little bit carried away. I really cut a lot out of this top layer, and it's looking okay now, but it was an awkward grow out for a little bit, very poofy. I was going for like a shaggy mullet combo, but then it ended up like coconutting on top of my head. If coconutting is a verb. Anyways, so here's what I have today. I have a spray bottle with water. I have got some sharp scissors, a comb, maybe no comb. Oh, here, my comb, and a razor. A cheap razor is really fun to use, and a brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of brush my hair out. Okay, give her a little spritz. I like to put essential oils in my water, rosemary and stuff, so it's a little treat. It's a nice little treat. Okay, so not too much. I do like to kind of cut my hair dry, but I just washed my hair this morning, so it's still pretty clean. Okay, look at this. It's ridiculous. So what I'm thinking is, I kind of want a little bit of a curtain bang. I don't want to go too crazy, so I'm gonna kind of push my hair in the part that I want, like that. I'm gonna tie back all my long layers, like that. And then a little trick that I learned on YouTube a while ago, and I'm also gonna pull this back, so I only have my like front layer of bangs there. This was a funny little trick that I learned from YouTube. So you take the part that you want to be kind of like curved, framing your face. You grab all the bangs like this. You twist them around. I'm not sure if that made sense the way that I showed it. Here, let me show you one more time. So straight like this, you're gonna grab it with both fingers and then twist around. So you have a 180 of your bangs. And then you grab your scissors and always go slow at first because you don't want to get carried away immediately. Yeah, that's not too bad. I didn't take off a whole lot of weight, but that's okay. I'm gonna kind of continue pulling down these layers here, and then I'm going to grab the razor blade. This is where I got a little bit carried away last time, because the razor blade, I don't know about you guys, but I love that pulling feeling from the razor at the salon. So you just kind of grab the razor and you put your thumb on the other end and just pull on your hair, and I think it feels so good. I love the feeling of razors at the salon. Maybe I'm crazy. So I'm just kind of going through and thinning out some of these layers. I'm not going to take away too much length. Okay, something like that. And then I'll kind of go back through, and those little feathery Farrah Fawcett bits. Another little technique that I like to do is I'll grab the piece of hair, you can twist it like this, and then I'll just kind of like let the edges, I'll slowly close the scissors as I move down my hair, and it kind of pulls at your hair a little bit, but I think it's fine. Kind of untwisting as you go down. Then that kind of leads to, yeah, kind of a funky cut. I've been off and on cutting my own hair for years. Me and my mom my mom always cuts her own hair. And it's usually when I'm drunk, honestly. But lately I've been trying to do it in daylight, sober, and it does make a big difference. But I have had some of the best haircuts in my life by myself, like drunk in the kitchen at night. And she feels the same way. We go to the salon and sometimes they're bold enough, but sometimes you just need that haircut to be like, if you're gonna go bold, like go big. And sometimes they just like half-ass it, and then it turns into this weird like halfway haircut, especially if you're going for a shag or a mullet. You gotta like send it. Okay. I'm gonna keep it pretty tame today. Okay, let's see how that looks with the rest of my hair down. Oh my gosh, so much. I've been pulling that hair back anyways. It looks kind of cute, clipped. Okay. A nice and tame trim, so unlike me. Okay. So I do have a little bit of like damaged bleached ends at the end here as well. So I'm gonna clean these up. This is why I love the razor. It gets full pretty easily, so you're gonna have to grab the hair out, but it feels so nice just to kind of like drag it on areas that are feeling really kind of heavy and weighed down, and you want to give them a little bit more bounce, a little bit more oomph, you know. It's fun. I'm also kind of trying to grow my hair out. I always try, and then, I don't know, we'll see what happens in spring. I'm always like tempted to get a bob or dye my hair purple or some ridiculous thing, but I've had quite a bit of willpower this winter, surprisingly. A surprising amount of willpower in quarantine to not like totally fuck up my hair due to emotional distress. I'm really surprised I haven't like got out the bleach more often. Okay, same kind of technique where I'm twisting the hair like this. And it's the bottom of my hair too, so I don't really care if it like gets messed up. No big deal. Okay, well, I'm not too far away from where I wanted to be, which is just a very slight little bang trim, so I don't have like hair in my eyes all day when I'm working. And I hope that was helpful to show you a couple techniques of how you can kind of give yourself just a little zhuzh at home without doing anything too crazy. Have a good one.